Which one of the following country is the largest producer of copper in the world? USA, Peru, Chile, Mongolia.
Answer is your Chile. Now we say that Chile is producing somewhere around your 36% of your copper in the world, and next is your Peru and USA. We say that if we compile these three countries, Chile, Peru, and USA, they are extracting somewhere around more than 50% of, or you can say somewhere around 60% of world copper. Okay, coming on to next question, please. Again, a factual question from your atlas.
Consider the following: Tanzania, Congo, Uganda, Zambia. Which one of the following countries do not share boundaries with Lake Victoria?
Okay. Again, question say that not. Again, question say that not. Now, if I talk about Lake Victoria, first of all, we must know where is Lake Victoria. It is in your Africa. It is in our African continent. Okay. Now, if I go by the African continent map, here we have Lake Victoria. The Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania are sharing border with, you can say, Lake Victoria. Here we have Tanzania, Kenya, and Uganda. These are the countries which are basically have some part of Lake Victoria with them. Rest are not. So we have our answer. Okay, moving on to next, please.
Which of the following countries are members of Mekong-Ganga Cooperation?
Okay.
Vietnam, China, Laos, Cambodia.
Acha, I need to ask one thing. Do we know Mekong river rises from?
China.
Yeah. It is a river rises from China. But Mekong Ganga Cooperation, it means we are talking about somewhere on northeastern India. Cooperation. This project was launched in 2000. And India's focus was again to boost our Look East policy under, you can say, your education, you can say transportation, tourism, and to promote culture also. So on that basis, if I talk about the Mekong Corporation, Ganga Corporation, the countries we have: India, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam, not the China. I'm repeating, we have India, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. China is not part of this Mekong Ganga Cooperation. Fine. Moving on to next. Again, a factual question from our NCERT, from our atlas. Please.
Arrange the following seas north to south. First is Sea of Oxshott, Sulu Sea, Celebes Sea, Yellow Sea. These are the combinations, and the answer is B.
Okay, fine. Here we have. Can we please read out this name from north to south, please?
Bering Sea, Oxshott Sea, East Sulu Sea, Yellow Sea, East China Sea. There is some Luzon Strait.
No, East Sea, beta. Here, East Sea.
Okay.
Then afterwards we have Yellow Sea. Then we have East China Sea.
East China Sea.
Okay.
Sir, I cannot see. There is a screen.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay.
South China Sea, Sulu Sea, Celebes Sea, and then last is Java Sea.
Okay, so what will be our correct answer? Means here we have Celebes Sea we have in our last, then second last is our Sulu Sea. So what will be our correct answer? Our correct answer will be B. Can it's 1, 4, 2, and 3. So answer will be B. Okay, please. Next, please.
Dishti tribe, which of the following country? Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, China.
It goes with your Pakistan. They are the people who are known for I remember once a time I went to Ajmer. So there are many people who are came with this posture, means they have this kind of thala with them, and they are providing us the water. So that tribe basically belong to your largely from your Pakistan. It is our Bistri tribe. Again a factual question. Okay, moving forward. Next please. Yes, Accelera.
Trans-Road Highway belongs to which one of the following country?
Okay.
USA, Australia, Russia, Canada.
Acha, this when we talk about this Trans-Road Highway, again it is from your NCERT, directly from the NCERT class 12 NCERT Transportation and Communication chapter. It is over the one of our highway. It is our highway which connect our North Australia with our Southeast Australia. Means it is connecting our Darwin to Melbourne. Answer goes with our Australia. Okay, moving forward. Yes, please.
Kalgoorlie mines in Australia is known for copper, tin, gold, uranium.
Yes, it is for gold. It's for our gold. It's in again where it is. It's in your Australia.